Mark bought computer at store that gave 30% discount of its original price. The total amount he paid to the cashier was $10, including a 7% sales tax on the discounted price. Find the original price of the computer in terms of T. So what we have here, we have that Mark bought a computer at store that gave 30% off of here's original price. So let me write this. We have 30% of original price. So if we write that X, let me write here, is price of computer, original. So when we have 30% of original price, what we have to do? We have to, from original price, subtract 30% of original price, so of our X. So this is equal. We can change percent to decimal number. Let me remind you definition. 1% is equal 0.01. So we have 30%, so we have X minus 0.3. We don't have to write 0 at the end of our decimal number of X. So this is equal. We have like 1x minus 0.3x. So 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7, and X we copy. So we have price of the computer after 30% of original price. What next? The total amount he paid to the cashier was $10, including a 7% sales tax on the discounted price. So we have to find 7% sales tax on the discounted price. So let me write this. We have to find 7% of discounted price. So we have that discounted price is 0.7, and we have to take 7% of this price. So we will write 7% of, so we have to always write multiplication, 0.7 times X. This is our discounted price. Price after discount. So this is equal. Again, we will change the percent to decimal. We know that 1% is 0.01. So 7% it will be 0.07 times, and we copy in parentheses 0.7x. So now we will write equation. We know that the total amount he paid to the cashier was T. So we write that T dollars. The total including 7% of sales tax on discount price and the price which he paid after discount. So we have to add these two expressions. This is the total amount he paid. He paid 0.7 times X, and we have to add tax. So 0.07 times 0.7 times X. This is price after discount. and this is our sales tax. This was definition of percent. So we got equation. The total amount he paid is price after discount and sales tax. So we got equation, and what we have to find? We have to find the original price of computer in terms of t. Original price, we write that this is x. So from this equation, we have to find x. We have to solve this equation for x. How we do this? Because we have 0.7x and 0.7x, I will take before parentheses 0.7x. So t we copy, this is equal 0.7x times, and what will be in parentheses? From this term, we will have only 1, because 0.7x times 1 give me 0.7x. And from the second expression, we take this before parentheses, so whatever we left will be next 0.07. So t is equal 0.7x, 1 plus 1, 0.07, this is 1.07. So now, because we have to find x, and we have multiplication here, so I will divide both sides by 0.7 times 1.07. Both sides. We have to always divide or multiply both sides. So we can reduce. And on the right side we have only x. Now I will move the sides. So we have x is equal, wherever we have on the left, now we will put to the right. So t over 0.7 times 1.07. And this is my solution. We found the original price of computer. Let me remind you, first we calculate the price after discount, because the discount was 30%, so from original price, because I put that x is original price of computer, we have to subtract 30% of x. Next we have to calculate the sales tax. Sales tax was 7% of discount price, so we have to take 7% of discount price after discount, and the total he paid is the price after discount and sales tax. We have to add these two expressions, and we have to solve this equation for x. This is my solution.